How to buy USDT on Trust Wallet app. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to buy USDT on Trust Wallet app. In order to buy USDT on Trust Wallet app, you have to follow the steps. First thing, going to log in into your Trust Wallet account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, and this is how it's going to look like. So in order to buy USDT, you have to go ahead and select the buy button. Next, you need to select USDT as per the asset. When you locate USDT, you need to go ahead and select the currency type first of all, and next you need to go ahead and enter in the exact amount that you wish to buy. As you've done that, you need to go ahead and select the payment source, that is how are you going to pay in order to buy the crypto or asset on Trust Wallet. You need to go ahead and enter in the information such as the exact amount, all of that, and you'll have successfully bought USDT on Trust Wallet. So that is how you can buy USDT on Trust Wallet app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.